It was past midnight at the MRT station. The last train had already left, yet a man stood on the platform, waiting. A commuter asked.
The last train already passed. Where are you going?
The stranger turned, whispering,
I want to go home.
Suddenly, lights flickered. A ghostly train rushed into the station. Then he felt someone right beside him, whispering into his ear,
I want to go home. I want to go home. I want to go home.
The next morning, staff found a bag left on the platform, but no one ever came to claim it.